Hey, this is Steve Keli, and you caught me in a great mood as we are beginning our beach restoration on the Isle of Palms. I call it the 2026 The Beach is Reborn. The crews have arrived, much of the equipment is here, and the dredge ship is anchored and ready to send us back our sand. This partnership I have with the great people at Wild Dunes Community Association. We'll be sending you updates, keep you informed, and to share with your family, friends, and even people you don't like. We have a journey ahead of us, but the end is going to be great. This is Steve Keli, and get ready for the beach.